Learn about a country every day. Argentina. Argentina sits at the southern tip of South America, bordered by the Atlantic Ocean to the east. It shares borders with 5 neighboring countries, covering approximately 2.78 million square kilometers. It's Latin America's second-largest nation after Brazil. The country is divided into 23 provinces, and the autonomous capital city of Buenos Aires. Buenos Aires spans 203 square kilometers, with a population of 3.12 million, but when including its surrounding metropolitan area, Greater Buenos Aires extends over 3,800 square kilometers, home to 35% of the country's population and 2/3 of its industrial output. Other major cities include Rosario, La Plata, and Córdoba. Notably, many of Argentina's borders follow natural barriers. The Andes Mountains mark the western border with Chile, while the Paraguay, Parana, and Iguazu rivers form boundaries with Brazil, Uruguay and Paraguay. Its coastline stretches 4,725 kilometers, featuring 45 seaports and 32 river ports. The port of Buenos Aires serves as Argentina's most vital harbor. Other significant ports include San Martín and Rosario. The southernmost point faces Antarctica across the Drake Passage. Curiously, despite being Argentina's coldest region, this area is named Tierra del Fuego. Legend says Magellan named it after spotting indigenous bonfires when discovering the land. Additionally, Ushuaia, the world's southernmost city, lies in Argentina's Tierra del Fuego province. The Malvinas Islands to the east remain disputed territory between Argentina and Britain, triggering the Falklands War between them in 1982. Geographically, Argentina slopes downward from west to east. Mountainous terrain covers 30% of the nation. The northern Gran Chaco Plain near Brazil and Paraguay features marshlands and dense forests. The central region boasts vast pampas grasslands, serving as Argentina's prime agricultural zone. Rich reddish fertile soil nurtures 70% of the population and 80% agriculture. The western Andes bordering Chile include rolling mountains, and boast the continent's highest summit, Mount Aconcagua, the tallest peak in both the Andes and South America. Eastern coastlines feature breathtaking beaches, such as the renowned Mar del Plata, Argentine's favorite vacation spot, and one of the country's famous casino destinations. Further south lies the iconic Patagonian Plateau. Beyond thriving agriculture, Argentina possesses extraordinary mineral wealth. Its annual gold production reaches 1.33 million ounces, with iron ore reserves around 1.1 billion tons. Positioned within South America's lithium triangle, it holds 19.3 million tons of lithium reserves, second globally after Bolivia. Substantial unconventional oil and gas deposits exist, including 22.71 trillion cubic meters of recoverable shale gas, and 27 billion barrels of recoverable shale oil. Demographically, Argentina has 47.06 million inhabitants, with only 15 residents per square kilometer. Though colonized by Spain, over half the population claims Italian ancestry, from mass 19th to 20th century migrations escaping Italian unrest. 95% identify as white or mestizo, the remainder being indigenous, African-descended or Asian. The Mapuche people form the largest indigenous group. Spanish is the official language. Approximately 76.5% practice Catholicism, while 9% follow Protestant faiths. As Latin America's third-largest economy, and South America's second after Brazil, Argentina has experienced dramatic economic fluctuations, frequent booms followed by severe downturns. During early 20th century, Argentina rivaled Canada and Australia in population growth, total and per capita wealth, ranking among the world's 10 wealthiest nations by income, but suffered repeated recessions and hyperinflation by late century. Consequently, Argentina's economic history remains among the most studied globally. In summary, Argentina is vast and culturally diverse, blessed with extraordinary natural resources, and strong development potential, but significant economic challenges persist, without short-term solutions, making it a South American giant balancing risk and opportunity.